I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. I've got some friends that I could go looking for, but by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winter winds blow lonely out there. And if you get there before the snow flies and things are looking good, would you meet me if I sent you back the fare? But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winter winds blow lonely out there. Still, I wish you would change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 1,000 times or more.